Title: Latest U.S. Immigration Policy Updates. U month, year. Welcome to this month's update on U.S. immigration policy changes, executive orders, and government announcements. Immigration laws and regulations are constantly evolving, and staying informed is crucial for immigrants, visa applicants, and those navigating the U.S. immigration system. In this video, we'll break down the most important updates, how they impact different immigrant categories, and what actions you should take. Let's dive into the latest developments affecting green cards, work visas, asylum policies, and deportation defense. Recent immigration law, changes new immigration bills, and legislative updates. Congress plays a significant role in shaping immigration policy. Over the past month, there have been multiple bills introduced that could impact immigrants, including, name of new bill, a bill proposing new pathways to citizenship for undocumented immigrants. Work Visa Reform Act. Suggested changes to employment-based visa allocations. Border Security and Enforcement Bill. Strengthening border security and changing asylum processing policies. We'll break down each of these bills, their likelihood of passing, and how they could affect immigrants if enacted. Immigration court rulings and Supreme Court decisions. Recent court rulings also play a role in immigration. The Supreme Court or federal courts may have ruled on cases that could expand or restrict asylum protections. Change how green card applications are processed. Affect DACA recipients or temporary protected status, TPS holders. We'll analyze these rulings and what they mean for current and future immigrants. Executive orders affecting immigration. Presidential executive orders and policy directives. The White House has the authority to issue executive orders that change immigration policy. Some of the latest orders include expansion or restriction of the DACA program, changes to asylum processing at the U.S.-Mexico border, new guidelines for ICE and immigration enforcement priorities. We'll explain how these orders impact different groups, including refugees, asylum seekers, and those applying for work visas. State-level immigration policy updates. While federal laws govern most immigration policies, individual states have enacted laws that affect immigrants' lives. Some recent changes include driver's licenses for undocumented immigrants in certain states, state-funded health care access for immigrants, local law enforcement cooperation with ICE, USCIS and government announcements, USCIS processing times and backlogs. Visa and green card applicants have been facing long delays in processing times. This section covers the latest updates from USCIS on processing times, efforts to reduce visa and green card backlogs, tips on expediting your immigration case, work visas, H-1B, L-1, O-1, and more. If you're applying for a work visa, you need to know the latest updates, including H-1B visa lottery updates and new policy changes, L-1 visa delays and how businesses are responding, new employment-based green card rules and priority date movements, how these changes affect immigrants, green card applicants, and family-based immigration. Recent immigration updates may impact how long family-sponsored green card applications take. This includes new priority dates for family-sponsored categories, increased wait times for certain countries, policy changes affecting family sponsorship, asylum seekers and refugee protections. Changes to asylum processing and refugee admissions affect thousands of people. We'll discuss new restrictions or expansions on asylum eligibility, how border policies affect asylum seekers, refugee resettlement program updates, DACA, TPS, and undocumented immigrants. DACA and TPS holders need to stay updated on their protections. Recent changes include court rulings on the future of DACA, extensions or terminations of TPS designations, new work authorization rules for DACA and TPS holders, deportation defense and ICE policies. If you or a loved one is facing deportation, it's important to know about ICE's current enforcement priorities, changes to deportation defense options, legal resources available to immigrants in removal proceedings, advice and next steps for viewers, what you should do next. If any of these updates affect you, here's what you can do. Check your immigration case status, USCIS online tools. Consult with an immigration attorney for legal advice. Stay updated on policy changes by subscribing to official government websites. How to stay informed to avoid misinformation and scams, always refer to USCIS official website, uscis.gov. Department of Justice Immigration Court updates. Nonprofit legal aid organizations. Please subscribe to Easy Life Studio for more content like this. Conclusion: the U.S. immigration system is always changing, and staying informed is the key to making the best decisions for yourself and your family. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more immigration updates every month. Comment below. Which immigration policy update concerns you the most? Let's discuss in the comments. Resources and links: check your case status, USCIS Case Tracker. Find legal immigration help, Department of Justice. Learn more about immigration laws, USCIS official website. Please subscribe to Easy Life Studio for weekly, monthly, and yearly update.